Now, we've all talked about Uber and Lyft and how Lyft likes to copy Uber, but recently they started doing things that were copying, but they were doing them better. And the biggest one is the stay with an area filter. I don't know. I don't think I've talked to one driver that does not like or use that very effectively for themselves.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, I mean, you got to learn to use it
Um,
because you're missing out on how well that is. But
yeah, if you don't like that, go do something else.
but yeah, absolutely. But when it comes to Boost and Boost Plus on the Uber app, there's a few restrictions there that don't necessarily make it the best. And Lyft is coming out with their own Boost Plus without those restrictions, and
Yeah.
it's going to make drivers a lot more happier. So
Well,
what we're seeing right now here is a $5 bonus hour on Friday the 27th from 4 to 5. Um, but what do you think
look,
about this one?
okay, listen, like you said correctly, Lyft copying Uber with trip radar, definitely better. Lyft copying Uber, with this now, instead of boost, they call it bonus hour, right? This is, or the area filter versus area preference, right? I mean, these are three things already. The Lyft, for my money, is doing better than Uber. There's no ifs and buts about it. The reason is Uber has a geofenced area for that boost to kick in, and it is just like this for an hour or two, or whatever it is during the day. But they have a geofenced area in Los Angeles, which covers the hot zone basically. But Lyft is not like that. There is no geofenced area. You can accept it anywhere you want, until maybe they will put a geofence area. I don't know. But here we go. I mean, this is another thing, identical, basically a clone of Uber Boost, but done better.
Yep.
If you don't like this either, then then Lyft says it's going to be a $3 to $8. So this was 5 for me, but maybe some people got 8, some people got 3. Maybe tonight they'll put up the 8 one because it's going to be busy trying to kill the surge, right? So hey, and the strategy for this is just like anything else. You got to do shorties. I mean, if you're giving me
Yep.
$5, I'll do 4 shorties in an hour, get $3, $4, maybe $4.50 out of the chip. That's your $10. 4 of those is $40 an hour. I mean, the strategy is the same as area filter. Put your area filter on. You have the boost going on or bonus hour going on. Make your $30, $40 and be happy with it.
Yep.
So
One thing
yeah,
to note, though, if you look at on the right hand screenshot, if you're watching, but if you're listening, it does have the area requirements. So it says sometimes it'll have an area requirement, not
yeah.
always.
Well, you
So
know what this is,
if
what
they're
Chris, remember the streaks, right? Initially, the streaks
yep.
didn't have a zone, and then the second
Mhm.
version of the streaks, or streak 2.0, came with streak zones, right?
Yep.
So I'm pretty sure they're going to start it this way and maybe put a geofence area like Uber's is, but at the moment, definitely better than Uber's boost. There's no ifs and buts about it. The only
Okay.
thing, by the
So
way, on this one, I did a couple of trips with this. When Uber's ping screen comes in, it says 4.5 boost or $3 boost is included, right, on the ping screen.
mhm.
On the bottom, when the ping screen comes in with this bonus hour on top, it will show the base rate, basically, whatever the trip is. And on the bottom of the screen, it will say you will get paid that bonus, the $5 in this case, after the trip is over, and they are paying it. But yeah, I mean, it's a good thing. You guys gotta like this. So you have area filter over area preference. You have now bonus hour over Uber Boost, right?
Yep.
And you have trip radar. I think on all three, Lyft is ahead, or they copied better and made it better, like Chris said.
Yeah, I think in their boardroom, we talked about the Uber boardroom, what that looks like. I think in the Lyft boardroom, they're looking and saying, okay, that works on Uber. How can we make it better? How can
Yep.
we make it better for drivers? How can we make it better overall? And it seems like they're doing that. So
Yep.
now
Right.
there is going to be sometimes there's going to be some area, and I could probably see why, especially if there's like really
Yeah.
busy events
Yeah.
going on, or
Yeah.
if it's like a weekend night or something with the bars.
Yeah.
But I think if it's going to be busy overall, then you're
Yeah.
probably going to see it a little bit crazier. Oh, I forgot a day, Super Bowl. That's also a busy day
Yeah. Yeah.
when
Yeah.
it comes to it.
Well,
So
Super Bowl's, Mother's
start with
Day,
food
Valentine's
delivery, or
Day.
start with food delivery, go to RideShare, go to food delivery, then go back to RideShare.
Yeah,
throughout Super Bowl day.
yeah. I mean, there are
Um,
good days to do this. Today should be good. Hopefully, everybody will come back with a bunch of money tomorrow. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.